Anesthesia. Documenting a total intravenous. Unlike an inhalational anesthetic, where all the records of the anesthetic agents will be pulled through from the devices attached to the SA anesthesia solution, in a total intravenous anesthetic, the pumps are not networked and therefore the data cannot be pulled through to the solution. As well as this, the complex mathematical models are not understood by the anesthetic solution. Therefore, we have adopted a way to document your anesthetic. You will notice within the monitors section that there are two monitors called TCI remifentanil and TCI propofol. If you don't see this in your monitors, you may have to scroll down, or they may still be sitting in your to-do list. And if so, click on them and make sure to execute. And when you do that, they will appear in your monitors. These are manual monitoring fields, which allows you to document the effector site concentrations for your remifentanil and propofol as you dial them in. To record these, choose the TCI infusion in question, double click on it. So this is for remifentanil. I will choose the value I want to document. You can adjust the timing either by using the time field or by using the grid. You can leave a comment if you wish and click OK. And as you can see, the value entered now shows in the anesthetic chart. If you change the rate on your pump, you can then go ahead and add that along your grid. So further down the chart, I'm going to right click and click add. Let's say change the rate. And you'll notice that rate now appears. If you made an error at any point and you'd like to make changes, right click on the value you want to change and click modify. And you can make that change and this will be reflected. And you can do the exact same thing for propofol as well. And you can do this throughout your anesthetics. Therefore, what you are setting on the pump is documented on the anesthetic chart. Just keep in mind, as this is a monitoring documentation, you still also need to document how much of the drug you have given. So at the end of the anesthetic, you should document the total amount of remifentanil and the total amount of propofol you have administered. So for example, I'd find the remifentanil. So I'll now document how much I gave, and I'd leave a comment. And click execute. And now you'll notice that you got remifentanil, 1 milligram has been given, and then with a note indicating that it was given as a TCI. And you can do the same for propofol. If instead of a target controlled infusion, you are using a fixed rate infusion, then you can document the drug directly using an infusion setting. There is a separate video that goes over how to do this.